Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Disney Solitaire not connecting to the server. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Try browsing websites to confirm connectivity. Then, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa for better stability. Then, if you're using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs can block access to Disney Solitaire servers. Then swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the Disney Solitaire app, and then swipe it away completely. Wait for a few while and reopen it, or restart your phone and Disney and open the app again. Then, lastly, head over to your app store, search for the Disney Solitaire app, and update your app if you've already not updated it. Updating your app is important because it will give you all the latest files and bug fixes. If needed, uninstall and remove all the corrupted files. That's how to fix the Disney Solitaire not connecting to the server. Subscribe for more quick fixes.